Hi, this is Alicia from Mitchell Park Library in Palo Alto, and today for Crafternoon, we're going to make a craft stick flower pot. Now the next part of the video will be all of the things that you need to put it together, and then the step-by-step instructions. All right, let's get started. So the supplies you'll need are craft sticks, some ribbon, an empty tin can, some markers, and tape, and a glue gun, and an extra glue stick just in case. You also need a plant. I'm using a succulent, but you can also use a flower, and some potting soil to put in your flower pot. All right, now you have your craft sticks and all your markers, and you're ready to go. So you're going to take your craft stick and we're going to color the craft stick with our marker. And I'm going to choose a pattern. So I'm going to choose green, and I'll do blue and red. So I'm going to make a 3-color pattern. You can do whatever pattern you like. So I'll start with green, and then color my craft stick green with the marker. And then my next color is blue, and it helps to color with the flat side of your marker. It really helps to spread the color across the craft stick. And I like to let a little of the wood show, so I don't color too much with the marker. I just like the way that looks, but if you want to, you can press down even harder so that none of the wood really shows and you really get the color on the craft stick. And my 3rd color in my pattern is red. And then I'll repeat the pattern. Green, blue, and red with the other craft sticks. Okay, so I have all my craft sticks here. I colored 27 craft sticks. That's more than enough to go around my tin can, but every can is different, so you might need more or less. Alright, make sure you get help from a grown-up if you're using a hot glue gun. Okay, so now we're going to glue on our craft sticks. We've got our hot glue gun and our empty tin can, and we're ready to glue them on. Alright, I like to start gluing where the line is on the tin can. So I take the hot glue gun and put a line of hot glue down the middle, and then take the craft stick and glue it on. Be careful because it dries pretty quickly. Alright, we're ready for the next craft stick. Before I pick up the craft stick, I take my glue gun and put the line of glue down first, and then I pick up the craft stick and press it on. And I like to push it right up against the other craft stick so you can't see the tin can. And then repeat with the next one. So this will be a red craft stick. Press it down with my thumb, make sure it's sticking to the glue, and then keep going. And you'll continue repeating your pattern until you make it all the way around the tin can. When you're gluing your craft sticks on, don't cover the bottom edge of the tin can. Make sure you can see the edge. That way the flower pot will stand nice and flat on your table. Okay, the next step is we're going to add some ribbon to our flower pot. You can just pull some out and then cut it. You can always trim it if it's too long. And then tie a nice little bow on the front. And there you have it. Then add some soil and your plant or your flower. And now you have your very own handmade flower pot. Thanks for joining me for Crafternoon today. I hope you find a nice space to enjoy your craft stick flower pot.